Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim here. So today I'm going to do two braid hairstyle on my hair. Just something simple, okay? I want to carry it for the weekend, so I want to make two braid hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys how I do my two braid hairstyle, DIY hairstyle, okay? So I'm going to start with parting my hair. My hair is freshly washed and I relaxed it as well. So let's start with parting. I'm starting from the middle. I'm going to use this gel. This is a slick and slate gel, and this gel gets the job done. Okay, this gel I'm going to use to clean my parts. The gel is so nice. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and start. So I'm taking my take home to part my hair, clean my parts. So I'm basically going to start with my natural hair, leave it to some extent, and then use the braid extension.
Cannot tell me that you're innocent. While all your clothes are falling off right now. Okay, your body tastes of cinnamon. Now you want me to turn you upside down. It feels like wow. Tell me you want it just as much as me, baby. I won't be fine.
It's getting bigger.
Let me fix your scars. Just one call. Oh my God, gotta be down if you
when I listen. I know it's bad that I can't help myself. When I get mad, I set fire to the hell. The only way to keep it at a distance, that's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay. A cheering melody will fix a melancholic heart. The music is the I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive. The music is the reason, the music is the reason why I I feel alive, I feel alive. The music is the reason. The signs when I stay in my shell. As soon as I'm sad, I tend to build a fence. That's when I need tunes to keep on living, like someone's listening. I see the signs when I seek for the lights. I know it's self-reminder, my self-reminder. Music is the reason why I stay. Will fix a melancholic heart. The music is the reason. The music is the reason why I stay. Music is the reason. The music is the reason why I stay. Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do.
Polishing. So guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section. This is quick, it is beginner friendly, and it is something you can do. Okay, so this is a DIY hairstyle, as you guys can see, and it is giving everything well put together, classic and gorgeous. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.